Do you know why they call a yoga class a practice? As it infers, a practice means that you are continuously working on whatever it is that you're doing. And so when you come to your mat in a yoga class and you practice, that means that you are practicing showing up for yourself. You are practicing giving to yourself. You are practicing moving your body in a way that feels good to you. There is that saying, practice makes perfect, but in yoga, I don't really feel like that applies because we are continuously evolving and changing and growing. And so every time we step onto the mat, it's something that's brand new. And so we are always practicing. Literally, we are always practicing. It is not something you do until perfection or until you've got it right. In yoga, it is meant to be a lifelong practice that you do to continue to evolve and grow and expand and continuously practice. I'm Krista Oakes, and each Monday I like to share with you a Mindful Monday, and I want you to think about this as you go through your week. And next time you're on your yoga mat, look at it like a practice. You've probably said it, you've probably heard it, but have you really come with that frame of mind to your mat to say, I am here to practice, not to be perfect, not to be anything else than I am right now, but to show up and practice. Try it this week. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I would love to hear how this changes your experience on your mat. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.